We're headed to Tokyo!
Canada.
Oh my gosh, we're headed to Toronto first for the first leg of our flight. But we just got our boarding passes and checked our bags. One of our bags was like 4 pounds over, but the lady didn't say anything, so we didn't say anything and they accepted it. So we're taking that win. Yeah, she didn't say anything. So we're taking that win. And we're gonna head to security to head to our gate.
Please now under process. Thank you. Please take everything with you.
We've been up for over 24 hours and we're definitely lost trying to get to our hotel.
It's fantastic.
I booked one that was way further away than I thought, so. Is this not it? It's literally all Godzilla themed, babe. This is precious. Lights.
Insert card to activate electrical power. Oh.
Huh. Did you?
It's wet, brother.
I wonder if it has to stay in. I think it has to maybe stay in. Yeah. So you insert your card to activate the electric power. So this is our room. Little teeny sink situation here. It's freaking Godzilla themed. We're gonna be in separate beds, LOL. That's hilarious, but totally fine. Look at the tissue box, babe. This is so cute.
It's like King Ghidorah scale.
Then you've got your shower and your toilet with a fancy bidet. All right, wait, we gotta turn off a couple of these because we gotta see the view. My gosh.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
Look at our view. Oh Oh my god, babe, we did it. Alright guys, we made it to our very first hotel. We are staying at the Hotel Grocery Shinjuku, and as you can see from the footage, it is like an entirely, well, it's not an entirely Godzilla themed hotel. There is a giant Godzilla head like on the hotel, and then there's a ton of Godzilla memorabilia and like displays and even merch inside. But you do have to book the specialty Godzilla rooms, which are on like only a couple of the floors, in order to like have all the extra Godzilla merch. Like we got these free postcards. There's like this little tissue box here. The beds are themed like Godzilla, as you can see. So super fun. We are exhausted. We have been traveling for about 26, 27 hours now. Getting from our hotel to, getting from our the airport to our hotel was a lot more of a chore than we thought it was going to be. I did not realize how far Shinjuku was from Narita Airport. So, in true traveling to Japan for the first time fashion, we stopped by 7-Eleven to get dinner. Brendan's using the restroom, so I'm going to go ahead and start eating without him. First thing we got is a pork bun. I had two things on my list from 7-Eleven, and I wanted to try the bao buns, and I wanted to try, are these technically bao buns or are these something different? Is this a different kind of bun? I think I'm wrong. Anyways, cheers. I waited so long for this. It's so good. I also got my very first Japanese lemonade. It is a 0 sugar, so we'll see how different it tastes. I'm very interested to see. Whoa. I don't know why I was gonna look at the ingredients as if I could read any of that. It tastes different. It almost tastes a little bit limey, but I'm not mad at it. It's actually really refreshing. Okay, now I'm gonna try the pizza bun. All right, I'm just gonna pull apart this for you guys so you can see. Ooh, okay. This is gonna be delish. Oh my gosh. It's honestly even better than I thought it was gonna be. I feel like sometimes pizza flavored things can just be like so hit or miss because it's just not pizza. This is delicious though. I got 2 onigiris. I heard, or I saw there's like some tricks to opening these. Okay. So, I've got to pull down from the top. That's step 1. And then pull back. And then pull to the right. And pull to the right. And pull to the left. Hopefully I don't break it. I think I got it. Oh, barely. Okay, I did break it. I broke it a lot. This is the grilled salmon one. This is the other thing I've been waiting for. I've been watching so many travel vlogs and seeing people eat these, and I just, oh my gosh, I've been making my own version at home, but I just know it's not going to be the same. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so simple, but it's just like, They really think of everything in Japan. There are complimentary umbrellas on the back of our door for if it rains while we're staying here, which is not long. We're checking out of this hotel literally in the morning. So we're getting like basically less than 12 hours in this hotel, and it was not cheap. But it is what it is. Okay, I think I already got the hang of this low-key. This one went much better. Look how easily I did that. This one is tuna mayonnaise? What did it say? Yeah, tuna mayonnaise. I think I like this one more. That's really good. I think I like this one more. I'm giving 7-Eleven
a 7 out of 11. Or an 11 out of 7 because it's so good. I knew it. And it was so funny because I'm like the researcher planner of the relationship. Are we surprised? No. But we're walking through Shinjuku and we see some places you kind of like stop and get a quick bite, but it's like still like you go like and like you sit at a little counter. And I just told Brendan, I was like, I'm so tired, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm beat, I want to eat in our room. So I was like, I hope there's like a little convenience store or something at our hotel. As we're walking into our hotel, there's 7-Eleven, and I was like, oh my god, yes, we get to do like the quintessential late night figure it out Japanese dinner. Brendan was like, we're gonna get dinner from a 7-Eleven, and I was like, yes, it's a thing, just trust me. And I went in and I just got us a bunch of stuff, and so this is what we're gonna eat. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed our little travel day. Stay tuned because tomorrow we are going all over the place. We're going to Osaka, we're going to Kyoto, we're going to Kobe, and Miyajima, question mark? I can't even remember. So anyways, yeah, other than that, flight and everything, it was long, but it was all right. We did send our bags through the Koroneko luggage service, so we have a bag that will be arriving at our first hotel because we didn't want to like lug huge bags around all day tomorrow, so we just have like our backpacks with like our toiletries, a change of clothes for tomorrow, etc. So our first bag is arriving at our hotel tomorrow for like our first week-ish, and then our second bag is already going to our next hotel that's all the way back in Tokyo because we're kind of going down like to southern Japan and then coming back to Tokyo in about a week. So we kind of split up our bags just to make it a little bit easier and less expensive, because then we don't ship 2 bags to one location and 2 bags to the next location. Just one bag, easy. So yeah, I mean, it was a heck of a travel day. Truly, we are exhausted. There was a point where like if I'd been with anyone other than like Brendan, I probably would have had a little bit of a breakdown because he just is like able to keep me calm and happy even when he's stressed. So yeah, it was tough there for a minute. It was a long day, but we're here. This view is freaking worth it. Seeing Brendan enjoy all of the Godzilla themed here and just nerd out is worth it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this section of the vlog, and I will see you in the morning. Bye.